Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Ablokan IAS, and today we are going to discuss one question that is asked in CSAT 2023 and it belongs to the topic numbers. The question is, let x be a positive integer such that 7x plus 96 is divisible by x. Okay, 7x plus 96 divisible by x. How many values of x are possible? So we have to find the values of x. X is an integer. Now, if x instead of an integer it would have been real number, then this would the answer would be infinitely many, क्योंकि कुछ भी हो सकता है ना 0.1 और कुछ भी सबसे डिवाइड हो जाएगा ये. ठीक है. So this is going to be 7 plus 96 by x. Now we have to find such values of x which completely divides 96. That means we have to find the factors of 96, and factors of 96 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 32, 48 and 96. So how many values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 is my answer. It is a very simple question and this type of questions are generally asked. So let's move on to our today's practice question. The question is, let x be a positive integer such that 3x plus 48 is divisible by x. How many values of x are possible such that the value of expression is less than 20? This part is important. I hope you all will be able to do this and you can get the solution at our Telegram channel. Okay, thank you. We'll meet again.